Red, 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 like a rosy cherry. Red is bright and red is merry. Apples, hearts, and fire trucks too. Red is a color, bold and true. Tens, la la la, sing with me. Colors are so fun to see. Clap your hands and shout it out. Red, 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 there's no doubt. Yellow, yellow, like the sun. Bright and cheerful, full of fun. Bananas, stars, and lemons sweet. Yellow makes us tap our feet. La la la, shining bright. Yellow fills our world with light. Wiggle, wiggle, side to side. Yellow makes us smile with pride. Blue, 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 like the sky. Blue is calm as clouds float by. Oceans, blueberries, and the sea. Blue is cool can be. La la la, calm and blue. Take a breath, just me and you. Sway like waves, slow and low. Blue is gentle, don't you know? Green, 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 like the grass. Trees and leaves as we walk past. Frogs and turtles hop along. Green is nature's happy song. La 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 la, fresh and green, prettiest color you've ever seen. Hop like frogs upon the ground. Green is growing all around. Now let's learn our shapes today. Circle, square, triangle, hooray! A circle's round just like the sun. Trace it in the air, what fun! La la la, round and round. Circle shapes are all around. Wheels and balls and buttons too. Circle, circle, I see you. A square has four sides, straight and true. Windows, boxes, squares for you. Triangle has 3 points so sharp. Oh, like a mountain or a harp. Tap, 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 la 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 la. Shape so neat, stomp the square beneath your feet. Point up high for triangles peak. Shapes are everywhere we seek. Red and yellow, blue and green. Circle, square, the best we've seen. Triangle too, we learned today. Colors and shapes, hip, hooray! La la la, we did so well. Look at all the things we can tell. Wave your hands and take a bow. We're shape and color experts now.